Plesni klub Ekvilibrium postoji i takmiči se od 2008. godine, kada su ga osnovali Dragan Savić i Vuksan Virjević, sadašnji predsjednik i potpredsjednik kluba. U svojoj prvoj takmičarskoj sezoni 2008. i 2009. godine osvojili su više naslova državnih prvaka i 2 druga mesta na svjetskom prvenstvu, World Dance Masters. Oni su višegodišnji višestruki državni prvaci u hip-hop i breakdance plesnim disciplinama, ali i organizatori nacionalnih i internacionalnih plesnih takmičenja i drugih kulturnih događaja u Smederevu, među kojima je i prestižno takmičenje Balkansko prvenstvo Dancer of the Year.
Tako je, a sada nastupa grupa 2 sa koreografijom Kazino, koja je osvojila 4. mesto na državnom prvenstvu.
Veliki aplauz za naše goste.
She take my money when I'm in need. Yes, she's a trifling friend indeed. Oh, she's a gold digger way over town that digs on me.
Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head, get down. Get down, girl, gon' head. Cutie the bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I could tell you rock, I could tell by your charm. Far as girls, you got a flock, I could tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she have a like Serena, Trina, Gina for Lopez, 4 kids, and I gotta take all they bad to show.
Come on, y'all.
But then they got their friends. I pulled up in the Benz. They all got a pen. We all went to den, and then I had to pay. If you f***ing with this girl, then you better be paid. You know why? Take too much to touch her. From what I heard, she got a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to f with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
Sexy, tell 'em, hey, give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything.
Better than nice, 'cause tomorrow I'm off to do battle, perform for a princess. But tonight, I can make you my queen and make love to you endless. It's insane the way the name growing, money keep flowing. Hustlers moving silent, so I'm tiptoeing. So keep going, I got it locked up like Lindsay Lohan. Put it on my life, baby. I'ma give you a ride, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight.